One day while having family over, an odd noise was heard by everyone coming out of the kids' bedroom. So we decided to bring out our spirit box to see if it was our other house guest making the noise.
Because you know the sound like a taser makes? It was like that, but very, very low. It came from the closet.
Huh. It did. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Alright, is there anybody here messing around with the kids? You know you can talk to us. Okay. You said something like...
I couldn't hear it either.
Is anyone in the closet?
Wait, that's where we heard the voice last time.
It's me. Did you hear that? That was a deep voice.
Yeah, that was a deep voice.
Because it's me. Who are you? Do you have a name? What?
Sound like a girl.
Yeah. What?
Lexi.
Lexi. Unfortunately, with us both talking at the same time, you are unable to hear the box actually say Lexi, as it is trying to confirm that its name was Lexi instead of Lex. We were able to hear this with our own ears, but like I said, unfortunately, it was not on camera.
Same voice.
I know. Alright, thank you, Lexi. What are you doing in the closet, Lexi? The kids? Can't make out what I was saying. Lexi, what are you doing in the closet?
Sound like it said the kids.
Yeah.
That's like, this is some crazy stuff right now.
Alright, Lexi, are you watching the kids? Slow. A couple of things here. Once he hits the door, the spirit box says, whoa, but we thought it said slow. But then, an EVP over the camera, not over the box, says turn around, and he does. When it's slow?
Oh, I got it.
Alright, Lexi, are you by yourself?
I did.
Lexi, how many people are here right now? Better. Whether it's the spirit trying to drain the energy from the batteries to manifest itself, or if they were just bad batteries that just died, you just never know in these situations. Yeah, that's crazy though, isn't it? That was crazy, dude.
I know.
Alright, so now we have a name.